We started the business back in 2011 and it was right here at this project. Left the comfort of being employed and thought I'd take on the world by starting my own business as you try to. And on the tools, started this project, which was the two-storey box out the front. This is the original house we're sitting in right now that we're renovating now. And to now where I've got 7 staff, 2 supervisors and 2 apprentices, 2 chippies, and guy in the office helping me out. The biggest challenge has been just managing cash flow and trying to be all those different hats across the field as you're growing. So trying to be in production as well as marketing, as well as accounting, all those things that you're trying to do every day, and you're just getting pulled from here, there and everywhere, and you'll get to a point where you go, well, I've got to try something different. It's been a great transition the last 12 months with PROTRADE to put all those things together to help grow the business the right way. What it was do a job, really, get a job done, and then okay, well, where's the next job going? Where am I getting the next work? It was like a roller coaster ride. It's like, I guess it's like every technician that wants to run a business. He knows how to build the building. He knows how to, knows how to do his job. But sort of doesn't know how to sort of keep the things ticking in the background or get to set the seeds to get more business coming up. It's really just opened my eyes at how businesses can run themselves if you put the right processes in place and have the right people, employ the right people to back that system. The biggest change that PROTRADE's helped me with is charging for estimates, getting paid for what we do and what we value our worth to be, which is we provide a good service in our estimating, and now we are charging for that service. What I've enjoyed most about the journey is being a personal development alongside the business. So looking at improving oneself will improve everything around them. It has been a big eye-opener to my journey with PROTRADE. PROTRADE has given me all the tools that I need to ensure that we create that service for the client. It's a great community. You get so much value out of it. The tools they have on their website, the group training, that's what I really loved about it, was coming once a month, coming into a group that was like-minded business owners, collaborating, talking about your problems and workshopping it. I would recommend any business owner going for it. It was a great thing for me to do. So yeah, jump on board.